It's Will Ferrell's first public appearance since that terrifying accident that ended with his SUV flipping over.
I heard you know everything about presidents. So
the 50-year-old comedian cracked up the audience at a charity event in L.A., quizzing an 8-year-old whiz kid about U.S. presidents.
Who was the shortest president ever?
James Madison. He was 5'4".
Just 1 week ago, Ferrell had to be rushed to the hospital after his chauffeured SUV was sideswiped by another car. Now he appears to be okay and in good spirits.